Okay guys, when is the last time you guys been to a laundromat? You can do your laundry quick in here. Look, you see it's 70 cents. I think 70 cents. Gets you 10 minutes. Get 10 minutes. But this is a very nice laundry. It's called the Wash House, and I think this is one of the newer ones. See, you got the heavy duty washers and dryers. You got plenty washers and dryers here. But it's been a long time since I've been in a laundry. But you know, something break down, you'll find yourself, even when you get your washer and dryer fixed, you'll find out that it's so much quicker to do your laundry in a laundromat. It's been a long time since I've been in here. You see these heavy duty machines where you can bring your big, actually I'm gonna start bringing my large bedspreads and stuff. I really don't know. It doesn't have a price on here what it would cost to use this big thing. But it's really nice in here. I don't know how much it would cost, but they don't have a price on it. I guess once you swipe, and then you can't just put your money in there, you actually go and buy a card, place a card above washer number 25, $7.50 to use this washer. And this is a smaller one. Yes, $7.50. I don't know if it just does your laundry. This one doesn't have a price. Well, it hasn't popped up there yet, but $5.75 for this one. Did you know? Last time I used the laundry, this is $3.75, and I guess it's for your normal load. It's $2.75. This is the smallest one that I've seen. Last time I used the laundry, actually it was 50 cents to use the washer. And as you can see, it's 70 cents to use your dryer. And you get 10 minutes for drying clothes. And it's a really big, really nice place. You got a TV. I don't know who controls that. And then your washers here. These are the smallest ones for $2.75, $3.75. I guess that's the bigger one. And then over here, you know, where you could use your money, there's your little machines if you get hungry and want to buy a snack. And these are your little things to occupy your kids if you bring your kids. And this is where you go and you purchase your cars. And I guess you can put as much money as you want to load on the card. And each time you do your laundry, you actually swipe. Isn't that cool? I didn't know it cost so much to do laundry. There's your drink machine if you get thirsty. I don't know how much they are. And they'll give you their warnings that they're not responsible for items left in the machine or for money lost in the soda and snack machine. But they did give you an 800 number to call, which is good. So yeah, it's pretty nice in here. And this one I still don't see. You know how much it costs to use this one? Like $8. So that's the big one. Those are the bigger. Yeah, where you need to wash like a big bedspread or maybe some rugs or something. And it says no water. Okay, this one don't have any water, so that one is broken. But she said it's $8. These big ones here, like commercial. So if you don't have to wash but once a month, or maybe twice a month, it's the fact that you can do your laundry really quick, you know, versus waiting for each load to complete at home. Okay? And they have plenty of them, where even though it's a lot of people in here, you've got just a lot. It's like nobody has to wait. Okay, so there you go. Again, this is the Wash House. And it's really pretty nice in here. Okay? Let me know if you guys ever use a laundry. I didn't know it was so expensive to use one, but it is. But meanwhile, it's pretty good. If you have a problem with your washer at home, you come here and you find you do your laundry so quick and it's over with, it's a good alternative.